Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's Oakree Jr. back with another video, and today this is going to be the first kind of tutorial to my whole channel. And basically I'm going to be teaching you guys how I make my YouTube thumbnails, my custom YouTube thumbnails. And basically it's actually a very simple process, so let's go ahead and get started. And if you just keep up and maybe pause if you need to, it should be pretty simple. So first thing you want to do here is you want to go up to the top left corner and hit File, and you want to do New because we want to size this to what we want. And the YouTube thumbnail size is 1280 by 720. So after you got that, click OK or Enter. It's whatever. And then so now you have your kind of basic template, which is the size of the thumbnail, and it's gonna be a lot smaller, something like that. So keep that in mind whenever you put stuff on it. So what we want to do first is we want to make a background so it's not just this white background. And what I started doing whenever I started making these was I went to gradient, I dropped down the toolbar, and I would pick the gradient. And then basically what this does is it does something like that. That was a little bit lagged. There we go, something like that. Which kind of basically goes to dark to light, so it looks pretty cool. And then up here is all of your different designs that you can have. You can have like a circle, you can have it dark on both sides, but for now let's just go ahead and do this, and we'll just do it black for now just because this is a kind of a template. It doesn't really matter anyway. So yeah, let's keep that as our background. And now what you want to do is you actually want to put words or pictures or whatever you want to actually put on here to kind of show people what the video is before you even start. So what I like to do is I like to do Minecraft up at the top, just so people know what it is. And let's go to Google and images, and let's do Minecraft logo. Let's just say that. And then basically any of these will work. Like literally, you don't want something like that because we need to actually cut out the background. So just do a simple one with a white background like this, something like that. And then now, oops, that shouldn't be like that. Now if we go back to Paint, oh, by the way, the program I'm using is paint.net. I won't leave a link, but you can just basically go to Google and type in paint.net, and it's super simple. So I'll let you guys find that. And now what we want to do is you basically just want to save it to your computer or desktop. And now we want to go to Open, because this is how you're going to open it. And let's go to Minecraft logo, which is just what I have mine saved under. And then this is where you kind of need to pay attention. You want to go to your magic wand, which is under your toolbox, and you basically want to hold Control. Here, I'll zoom this in just a little bit. You want to hold Control, and you want to click all of the spaces that are part of the Minecraft logo. And this is important because this is basically identifying what you want to keep out of the picture and what you want to cut out. Okay, so I guess that's pretty much it. These little lines, they're not a huge deal. Oops, kind of messed up there. Okay, so now that we got that, you're going to come up here and you're going to press the two papers, which is copy, and then you're going to go back to your template and you're going to press the clipboard, which is paste. And it just pastes it to the template without that background, which looks a lot better. You know, you wouldn't want that background because it would just look terrible. So, and then you want to just size it to what you want, which basically, you know, that's fine with me. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for that, for the Minecraft logo. And then say that you wanted a pig or a pickaxe or something like that. You know, whatever it is, you can just come back. You can go to Google, search it, and then save it to your computer, and then basically rinse and repeat. So now let's say, what do I have? Let's do skin for thumbnail. And basically what we're going to do is the magic wand, and you want to just click everywhere that these kind of dotted lines are highlighting, because you want to make sure that you get all of the picture. And let's see, we're missing that. And if you do mess up, just go up here to this undo key, and super simple to go back. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, should be it. Should be good enough. Okay, so we'll go to the two papers, copy. We'll go to the paste. Oops, missed a spot. So we'll undo. We'll come back here. Oops. Magic wand. I think I missed that spot. So I think we're good now. Let's try that. Whatever, good enough. Oh, I missed the apple. It's never good enough. See, just make sure that you have everything, not like I'm doing right now. Alright, whatever. We'll keep it. It works. Alright, so now we're gonna paste it. And let's just put it there. That's a decent enough size. And of course I spend more time on this, missed some spots there and there. But you don't really have to. So the next spot is you're going to go to a website called Textscraft.net. Yeah, it's .net. And this is basically how you get your words. So let's say that we wanted to do a Minecraft Let's Play. You wanted to advertise a Minecraft Let's Play, and you wanted it to say Let's Play Episode 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down here, and these are kind of the style that you want. Usually I go to YouTube style. I think it just looks the best. It's thick and just looks the best in general. And then usually what I do is I go to this thing. It's like Zephyrion or something like that. And I click it, and then since we have a black background, we kind of want a color that sticks out. So this is kind of your color changer. And let's go ahead and pick this color. And let's say that we wanted Let's Play. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. I always forget that my pause hotkey for the video is Shift and L. And typing in Let's Play, it didn't work so well. So let's just do a lowercase L for now. And we'll do Let's Play. It doesn't look as good, but we got our font, and we got the style, and we got the color. So let's go to Create, and then we'll click the download, and we'll wait for it to download. And if it doesn't download, which I've never had a problem with it, click here to try again. Okay, so it just downloaded for me, and now we're going to go into Open, and we're going to look in. Mine is always in my downloads, and yep, there it is, lowercase L. And now let's go to our magic wand, and you basically just want to repeat what you've done before and make sure that you get pretty much every spot. And make sure you're holding control, because if not, everything won't highlight. So make sure that you're doing that. And now we're going to go to our copy, come over here, and we're going to paste. Let's just bring it down. We'll rotate it and make it just a little bit bigger. And remember, this is a YouTube thumbnail, so it's not going to be as big as you're looking at it right now. So you want to make sure that you make it a decent size to where people can read it. Okay, so now we'll go back and, oops, got to move this down a second. We'll go back here, and let's say that you wanted episode 1. So let's do episode 1. Say this was your first episode in your Minecraft Let's Play. And then you'll do download. It should pop up right down here anytime. Hopefully. There we go. And now we'll go back to our thumbnail, and we'll go to Open. And here's our episode 1. And so literally the exact same thing. We're just going to come here, hold control, highlight our episode 1, make sure that everything is highlighted that we need highlighted. And let's see, that, okay, and then copy, and then over here to your template, and paste. Let's make it a bit bigger, and we'll rotate it this way. And so say that's all that you wanted. You can get more into detail, but you know, this is very simple, especially starting out. And let's go to, let's save as, and we'll go to our pictures, and we'll say YouTube template thumbnail. Okay, and now just, I don't really do this, but you can check it over and make sure everything looks good. And you'll press OK, and then now here's how to actually upload it to a YouTube video. So here I have just a template video uploading. Um, Nothing fancy at all. I don't even know what it is. Um, but here we'll go to custom thumbnail, and then let's go to our pictures where we just saved this, and then, oh, that's my old one, by the way. We'll just click on this one, and then it'll upload, and it differs for me how long it takes to upload. I guess it depends on the save size. And if you are adding different things to the thumbnail, like more things, it will take a little bit longer and take up a little bit more space. So keep that in mind. And basically, guys, that's it. It's only been 10 minutes. I think I finished the thumbnail, and actually 9, and that's actually talking. If I were paying attention, I could do this in no time. So super, super simple to make your own custom thumbnail. And obviously looks decent. Let's go back and look at it. There it is. And I'll include the website on how to get the skin, and I'll include which I think is actually Nova Skin, if you guys want to go and look at it. And then I'll also include where I got the words from, which is textscraft.net, and I'll include those descriptions in the link. And I hope this was simple enough for you guys, and it was detailed enough and you guys could really understand. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and I hope you guys can make simple thumbnails like we just showed you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.